In today's video, I'll show you how you can attach objects to any surface in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So I have our sample footage right here, and I'm gonna go and attach a YouTube logo somewhere here in the video. So how I would be able to do this is by simply going here into effects. And then now if you don't have the effects, you can go here into window and make sure effects is checked. And now you want to search for corner pin. And then you want to drag it into your object. And then once you're done, is that you want to position your object where you'd want to put it. So let's say I would want it to be here on the floor. So I would want to print that there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into corner pin. When you select corner pin, you would now have this 4 pins right here for the element or the logo. So now I'm just simply going to manipulate that it would now look natural right there. So you want to manipulate there until you would be able to get the result that you'd want. So I think I would need to go for a flatter version of that. So I think this one is quite good. And yeah, I think that's it. We have now put that on the floor. All that's left is some shadow and it will now look realistic. So that's it on how you could do that on the first method. Now you could also go for this one, for example. So I'm going to remove the corner pin on the effect controls. And for this time, I'm going to go for basic 3D. And I'm going to put it here. And basically, you can now tilt your logo right here into a flatter version right there. So now I can just make it smaller right there. And now it's like that I have put it right here. And I think I would need to adjust the tilt until I get my desired result right there. So yeah, I think this one is also a great way for you to do it, depending on which method you prefer. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.